Okay, guys, today I'm replacing the air filter assembly, the stock one that comes on a Jeep Grand Cherokee. I have a 2004, but I think they're all the same. So I removed the entire box with the filter assembly, and I bought this kit on Amazon. It's a cold air intake, and it comes with the adapter, comes with a tube, and it comes with an air filter. I think it's pretty good for like under 50 bucks. Pretty good. So I already removed everything, and I put that rubber adapter on, which is a 90-degree angle. So you can bring this extended tube out near the cold air. And I also made a bracket. There happens to be a hole in the manifold. I put a screw in there. So now we're just gonna put it together. I have everything already pre-set up. So we'll see how that goes. You can cut this back, make it shorter, which I'm gonna do later. You can also adjust it all. Basically, that's the idea. I'm gonna have to put a larger screw in there, and that's it. And that should get the cold air from in here and feed it right into the exhaust, into the intake. Okay, thanks for watching.